All right, so we just took a rest stop, bathroom stop on the side of the road at a rest area. And I tell John, he said, oh, he's like, we're going to take a bathroom stop. And I'm like, oh. And I look down at the gas gauge and I go, why don't we just stop at a gas station? He's like, ugh, I just have to go to the bathroom. I believe that if you're going to stop somewhere, you got to do the triple stop. If you're going to stop somewhere, make it worth the stop. Get gas, go to the bathroom, and get food. That's it. That's why I don't usually stop at rest areas when I'm driving. But he's driving, so I'm not going to give him a hard time because we have plenty of time anyway before we have to be at camp, because we can't check in until 3 o'clock. They absolutely do not let you check in till 3:00. A nice little rest area. It does smell like horse manure. And I was looking for horses, but I think it just might be in the groundskeeping. But it's a Blue Star Memorial Highway, a tribute to the armed forces that have defended the United States of America. Cool spot. Beautiful weather. No longer freezing. And look who's waiting for me in the truck. What up, what up?
I don't think the double-sided tape is going to help because
Has nothing to stick to.
it's got nothing to stick to.
So it's the second time we're fixing this.
It's the third time.
Third time?
Yeah.
Is that gonna come off? Oh yeah. Oh, she's gonna be naked. Mm-hmm. That was on the verge too, yeah.
This one's gone. This one's gone. This one's still intact. So that one's intact. This is the one that never had a screw, which is probably the reason why it started all this mess. This one's broken, and this one's still intact. So I got 1, 2, 3 out of 7.
We're back home. This is our travel home. Come on, use that muscle, baby. Use that muscle. This is what makes me nervous. There goes the separation. So this just happened. It rocked right off of the front jack. Because you moved what?
Back chalk.
The back chalk.
Back in, put another thing on it. I figured it wouldn't roll backwards because
we're rolling downhill.
But because it wasn't on 2 blocks on the back, it was on 1. It was actually on a decline.
So it rolled back.
Rolled backwards.
Which then knocked it off of here.
Obviously, having 2 different levels of blocks, not a good idea.
I don't want to say I told you, but I didn't like it. I didn't know that that's what was going to happen clearly, but I didn't like it.
So, it's chalk now. I think I'm going to hook it back up to the truck.
Mm-hmm.
Get it off of the blocks.
Mm-hmm. Well, it still needs the blocks to level it one side to the other. Right?
Right. I'm just going to use the two. I'm going to use 6 on this side so that I have plain room for the forward backwards, so that it's not on the edge of one, the edge of the other. And being that it's level, then I can chalk it evenly. That was the issue. The chalk was not flat, it was like this.
Mm-hmm.
So being like it was like this, I figured let me just take it off, put another block, and then chalk it. When I took that off, it just went whoop. So I'm gonna rise this up as high as it goes.
Are we gonna take this wheel off?
We can once we have it back on
the truck.
the truck.
Alright, let's get on the truck. So I don't like the way that wheel looks either. Alright, we're waiting to see the level. Mate Pro turn on. I'll walk around and show you what John did. We're chalked now. We normally pull into the site backwards, but then it's hard to level it from the front, so we have the chucks this way.
That side needs to go up.
This is our favorite campground because it's close to our babies, and our least favorite because its sites are not leveled, making nightmares of what we just experienced. Sometimes it just takes a little bit longer, and sometimes we have to do things differently to be safe and feel at peace. So we're gonna do what we did the last time and pull it backwards into the site. And he still needs to lock that in because we need to truck a tiny bit in reverse to lock it in. All right, we're out here doing this again. My heart every time beats every time. Skips when he does that, but I know he has to. And if you look at the level, now we're at 13¼ inches. So we gotta move the truck forward and then bring this top down. Happy birthday to you.
Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Beto. Happy birthday to you. Look, Beto has his candle. Are you going to help him blow it out, make a wish?
Yes.
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, thank you. High five.
Did you throw me out of my swing?
Yeah.
Do you want me to swing you?
So I gotta get like a rake.
Yeah? Okay, ready? Say hi, Dakota.
Oh, is she gonna try and give you a kiss?
Yeah, she'll give you kisses, all right.
You want to go on the big slide?
No.
No? Okay.
So big.
Too big?
Yeah.
Okay. Guess who I brought to the shower? Heat. Mr. Heat. Here we go. So we got a different water bottle. and the dispenser sits on it perfectly now. So this is gonna be our go-to. Putting the miles on.
So far this trip, 1,137 miles.
We going places. She's pointing, and I just looked over and I kicked the ball, and she's like, "Mommy, dandelion," because all she saw was a figure, and then she looked up, she's like, "Dandelion." Are you ready to go with Bito?
Yes.
All right, can you say happy birthday, Bito?
It's talking about the blue rose bucket.
Happy
Yes.
birthday to you.
Wow! Big slide! And then hold on. Yep. And do knees. Knees first. Yep. Then feet. And then pull. Good job. Knees, feet, and pull. Perfect. She's saying knees, feet, pull. There you go. Good job, kiddo. I'm coming. The ball. There you go. You want to get.
Hold it. Come here.
You want Bito to do it?
Look, you gonna take the ball?
You show her, Bito, one time. Whoa. Wow. Can you do that? Yeah. There you go.
Come here. Come here. Over here.
Yay! You did it! Did you do that? Oh, there's another one. Do you want to do another one? Are you gonna wait for that one? Wow, you did it! Do it again. How many people it takes to convince her to make a loud noise and bowl. It's a family event. Is that loud?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to get her. I think she's too far off to the side now.
Try it.
I think it'll be easier because.
Oh! Up and down. Good job. Mm-hmm. Look how cute you are with your sunglasses. Are you gonna golf? Yeah. Okay. We'll have fun. All right.
my party.
That's exactly where you're bowling. Toward the second.
Nice.
That's Papi's ball over there, yeah.
And then
And then Bito's ball's right there.
Bito's ball's right there.
Yeah, they hit together in the same spot. How'd they do that?
We played.
Yeah.
We're here. It really is a nice course.
Oh, it is.
So
It
like,
is.
It's nice to just sit and enjoy it.
Pretty hybrid.
See Papi do it. Go.
That's what I meant for you. Face it.
Up with you.
He went over there. Did he do good?
All right.
Yes.
It's a bouncy ride out here. It's like we're riding on the moon, Austina. Are you golfing?
Yes.
All right, do it. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Full swing, full swing. You gonna drive?
Yeah.
You gonna press the pedal?
Yeah.
And the cart's gonna go?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Well, when Bito says we go, okay? Bito will tell you, okay?
Yeah.
It's rolling towards the hole, John.
Oh, you hit it?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, go. Missed.
She's pushing it with her knee. Go get that white ball. Yeah, bring it back.
Oh, nice shot.
Nice shot, John.
Go.
Golf.
Go.
You want to put it in your pocket?
Go.
Keep your eye on the ball. There you go. You can do it. Stretch your legs out. There you go. Just like that. There you go. And hit the ball. Yeah! Nice shot, baby.
Your ball's gone.
Say, Bito, can I come out?
Out.
Yep. He said, yep. He said, Ben, so you gotta go.
Go.
That is half a pint.
They both hit the same shot. Like, like that. When you stay at McDowell, even your outside table has to be level for cooking. It's pretty good. John said put levelers on there. It's breakfast time. Bito, up this. There you go. Good job, Bito.
You did this for a long time with your children. Then you had a nice break. And now you got to do it again. Oh, you want to go together?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, well, you gotta move up a little bit. Because if I sit, I'm gonna sit on top of you.
Big slide, Bito. Good job.
Good job.
High five, Bito. Tell him good job. Yeah. Are we going to Chestnut? Or are we going to Kingfisher? Chestnut? Okay, let's go to Chestnut.
That's over there.
The Kingfisher is over there. You want to go to Kingfisher?
That way it's towards the water.
That one's Chestnut.
Yeah, that's.
Okay, so Chestnut is that way.
Yeah.
That's where you want to go?
Yeah.
All right. Whoa, what do you see?
Wawa.
Agua.
Awesome.
That's a big lake, huh? Whoop. This is what she tripped on, and it's attached on both sides. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you trip on that branch? Yeah.
Up this.
Yep, we have to go over those, right? We have to step over them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold Pito hand.
No.
Narrow and downhill. There's a hole in there.
Yeah.
Do you see anything in there?
Yeah.
What's in there?
Leaves.
Leaves. Yeah, sometimes the wind will blow the leaves in the hole.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, we're gonna keep hiking? Okay. We have to wait for Bito. Where's Bito? Hey, come here. Pause. Where's Bito? He's right there? Okay. Are we gonna wait for Bito? Ma'am, are you gonna wait for Bito? I guess not.
No.
Someone's talking over there. Hello, Asana. How are you? Are you having fun in the playground? Do you like talking through the flowers? Oh, you're gonna do the side? Okay, go ahead. Do your lifts. There you go. 1, 2. Good job. 3. All right, we are leaving. We're tearing down in the rain. It slowed down a little bit, the rain, thankfully. We have left, we have right signal, we have brakes, and we have hazards. All good. This will always be, to us, first our favorite home, because it brings us to our kids. This is the campsite. And the tree where Asana hung in my hammock, she loved it. And everything is clear. And John fell asleep in my hammock. And Dora had some quiet time reading her Kindle. I love that. But this site will always have the name of the site where we dropped our trailer, setting it up. And I'm a little traumatized, if I'm being honest. Everything is set. R4. McDowell's out. Tomorrow it's back to work. But for now, we're gonna see a baby one more time. You see all that yellow? You see all that yellow? Colin. Our truck was yellow yesterday. Sounds like the bird is saying, Bito, 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 Bito. It's official. We left the campground. God, it's so happy coming and so sad leaving.
Sad, gloomy, rainy day.
No. I love the gloomy rain. Give me that. But John has a difference of opinion. But
We're driving in this.
True. But also the sun keeps your eyes tired because you're like straining to see. So the gloomy rain is actually a really good thing. The rain is just reminiscent of our hearts crying because we have to leave our children. That was good. All right, Pete, I think we're ready for our road trip.
Are we?
Yep, I think we're ready.
Put the baby in the back.
Shh. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you going to drive to Florida with us? Yeah. All right, you all buckled up? We should go? Yeah. Okay, let's go. And she flew faster than I could get the phone. Te amo!
Drive safe, guys. Yep.
Safe travels. Look at the size of those tires. There's 3 of them in there.
That thing barely made it under the bridge.
Oh.
Golly, is that huge.
And just like that, we're back home.